Bow, what's up everybody, welcome back to the show, it's your boy Lex Money. Now, we haven't got the editor today, so we're going to go back to the usual format. You guys let me know, are you liking the editing style on the new videos? If you watched the last few videos, let me know in the comments right now, guys. But we need to look into the market today. Alrighty, how are you ladies and gentle motherfuckers? Listen, 97k for Bitcoin, ETH is at 2.7-ish K. Some of the utility plays, even though they are down, are starting to have a recovery, right? We're starting to see some sort of green in the market. And I think that the sentiment shift is going to be happening pretty soon, guys. Do I know when? Is it going to be tomorrow? Is it going to be next week? Is it going to be next month? I don't know, but anytime within the next, 2 months, to me, is soon. We've been through 2 months of the year already, guys. How quick was that? Another 2 months is going to go pretty quickly. Before you know it, we're going to be in Q3. I'll just remember that altcoins can recover months of downside within a few weeks. Who was here in the last bull run? Because I saw 20% days, I saw 30% days, I saw 40% days, I saw 40% days back to back to back before, right? So that's well over 150% gains when you compound it. Okay, so the fact that it's down 40% now can be eradicated pretty quickly. You've got to be locked in on solid alts. And don't be part of this camp that say, should I buy when an altcoin has recovered, or say, I only buy when it's green, when it's up, I'm going to buy it, right? ETH is going to be at 10k. People are going to ask, should I buy? ICP is going to be double digi ICP again. Shout out double digi gang, right? Who was here when we were tracking it in double digis. When it is like 10, 15, $20, people will then say, oh my God, have you heard about ICP's tech? And then start to flood in again. Don't be part of this gang here. But remember, we are tracking 2017 pretty closely. We have been through a pretty rough time for our altcoins, okay? For a lot of our top altcoins, Bitcoin has just been leading the way. But if you do look at things like global M2, you look at the gold chart, Bitcoin usually does lag a little bit, like a couple of months behind. And both of those, well, especially the gold chart, has actually seen a massive rally over the past few weeks. So I do think that Bitcoin is coiling up for its next leg of price discovery. With all of that going on, you guys will know that the altcoins do lag Bitcoin as well. So again, for the altcoins, it can take a little bit longer than people do expect. But ever since capitulating in the sub $220 billion area, okay, this is the top 10, right? Or everything excluding the top 10. The altcoin market cap has been consolidating in the 250 billion area, trying to build a base. Early signs of a double bottom formatting could be. However, sometimes with these consolidations, what they do is they consolidate, they go a little bit lower and then they bleed all the way to a double bottom. So I'm also expecting we could have some sort of double bottom area at 220 billion. But anywhere in this range here, in my opinion, is just consolidation and could be a pretty good time to be accumulating top utility projects that are going to have that rotation out of Solana in the next leg. And remember, guys, if you're scared to take a chance, how the fuck you going to get rich, right? If you take a chance at the lows when everybody's fearful and you can just hold on, look at the gains that you can make. Everybody says it's the worst bull run ever, we're never going to make money. It is because the majority of people in the market, in the comment sections as well, are just impatient. Imagine you bought down here and you just said, I'm going to hold. And you didn't care about time. You ignored all this intermediate stuff. And you had a bit more of a long-term outlook, guys. You would be super up right now. So yes, there are going to be massive pumps, massive dumps on the way. But sometimes you just got to remember, patience is key, guys. And as much as you don't like to hear it, the proof is right here. Now, a lot of the big institutions are trying to stake their ETH. Why would they want to do that? Why would they want to stake their ETH? To get more ETH, to get more free money. Do they know something that we don't know? Now, when we talk about ICP, guys, look at the transaction count when you compare it to all of the other blockchains. Solana versus ICP. Someone verify these are real people. It looks like they are. But the transaction count the highest in crypto, guys. Okay, this is insane. And remember what you hold as well. Why are we holding ICP? It's decentralized, it has native hosting, no external dependencies. Okay, that is what we need. AI on chain, NFTs fully on chain. Compare it to everything else, it is the clear winner. And then just a little recap, who is investing in the ICP ecosystem, who holds Alice, who holds Bob.fun. I do think Bob is the clear winner of this cycle. said this to you guys when Bob was at 30 cents. Just buy a shit ton of Bob. If anyone did that, you're doing pretty well right now. Who is a Bob holder? Let me know in the comments. But Alice, pretty much back at nearly where it was at inception, 9 cents. Not a bad price for Alice, and especially when ICP does start to pick up, like what is it, $7 now, you're going to see things like Bob and top other utility projects. I think they're going to start to catch up as well. So time is getting limited, guys. We're seeing a lot of charts coil up. Look at the ETH chart in the long run. I showed someone at the gym this and compared it to the XRP chart, and I said, look how much XRP was coiling up for 4 years. Then it had a 500% move within the space of 2 weeks. Look at where ETH is. It is so obvious. If you can't see this, I don't really know what to tell you guys. It's been respecting the lower support for years, right? For half a decade, it's been respecting this pattern, guys. And usually the closer we get to the apex, obviously the sooner it is going to be for a breakout. Upper area of this channel is going to be 18k. We're going to be DCing out of ETH way before that. But when this does start to pick up as well, guys, you're going to see all of our alts, well, a lot of our top utility alts start to pick up with it as well. This is so obvious. Yes, it is the 3-week chart, so you could be having like 3, 6, 9, 12, which would be another 3 months before we really do get to the apex, but it's coming, guys. So not too much to say for ICP right now, guys. We're in the worst case, everyone leaves the market part of the accumulation. We're below our lowest buy zone as well, guys. I think it's only a matter of time before we do coil up into the apex and then break out of this. We're going to be covering the breakout as well. We'll keep a close eye on this. You guys let me know, have we bottomed already? Are we going to break out early? Do we have a little bit more downside, maybe towards $6, high $5 if ETH wants to put in a final continuation to fill the wick? Both things are possible, guys. You let me know what you think in the comments. But ICP, not too much to talk about today, apart from the fact that we are at a great buy opportunity for not only ICP, not only ETH, but a lot of our top utility coins as well, guys. So you guys let me know, are you buying ICP right now? Are you waiting? Is the pump around the corner? All comments are welcome, and if you made it this far in the video, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button for more content. I'm seeing you in the next one.